Hello, today we will guide you through how to remove volume from Thinkorswim charts. If you prefer a cleaner price view or need more vertical space for indicators, hiding the volume panel can make your chart easier to read. In this walkthrough, we'll keep things simple and clear, and by the end, your chart will display only price action without the volume bars at the bottom. First, open the Thinkorswim app. You can use the web version or the desktop platform. The process is essentially the same. Once you're in, make sure a chart is visible with a symbol loaded, so you can immediately see the change when we remove the volume. Next, click anywhere on the chart to make it the active window. You'll typically see the volume as a series of bars or a histogram along the bottom of the chart panel. That's what we're going to hide, so focusing the chart ensures the settings you change apply to the right place. Now look for the settings control on the chart. It's usually a small gear icon near the top of the chart area. Depending on your layout or theme, it may appear in the upper right corner. Hovering over it should show a tooltip like Chart Settings. Go ahead and open it to bring up the Settings window. With the Settings window open, find and select the Equities section or tab. This area controls how stock charts display, including the option for volume. If you trade multiple asset classes, you may see other tabs like Options or Futures, but for hiding the standard stock volume, Equities is where you want to be. Inside Equities, locate the volume setting. It's commonly labeled Show Volume or something similar. Uncheck this option. As soon as you do, the volume subgraph will be set to hidden. You may notice a preview in the background showing more space for price bars or candles. To apply your change, click OK. Your chart will refresh, and the volume panel at the bottom should disappear. The price area will expand to use the newly freed space, giving you a cleaner, more focused view. A quick note on behavior: this change affects the active chart you adjusted. Other charts or saved layouts may keep their own settings. If you later decide you want volume back, just return to the same settings area, re-enable the volume option, and click OK. That's all it takes. You open Thinkorswim, focus the chart, entered chart settings, went to Equities, unchecked volume, and confirmed the change. Thanks for following along, and enjoy your streamlined chart view.